For this video, TENTOOL sent over this really cool hinge adjustment wrench. Now this is perfect for those who may notice that some of their doors around their house may be misaligned, they're not closing properly, or just have a little bit more difficulty latching shut. This hinge adjustment tool does a great job at just kind of correcting that problem by closing the gap and realigning those hinges that are holding the door. Now what I like about it is how simple and easy it is to use. It does have a couple different sizes for different types of hinges. So you do have a smaller one, and you work your all the way up to like a really big size one here. So that's gonna be for like an industrial strength door. And they are really nice and easy to put on here. There's just a little pin on here. You can just pull that. This silver part's gonna come right out. You're able to take this one off, and you can take another hinge here, put that in, and you'll be able to slide that pin right back through and put that locking pin on just like that, and you're good to go. Now when you are using this, you're gonna notice how well made it is. It does have a nice rubber gripped handle, which makes it great for when you are using this wrench and just being able to tweak that door hinge. It does have a nice solid steel shaft, and like I said, it does come with 4 hinge adjustment tools, and those are made out of steel as well. So to use this is really simple. All you're gonna do is take this tool, you're gonna slide it over the pin of your door hinge, and then you're just gonna give it a little tweak, tightening up that area between the door frame and the hinge. You'll actually see the hinge kind of tighten up. It just kind of helps realign that door so everything can just open and close smoothly. So overall, this is a really nice hinge adjustment wrench tool. This is perfect for the DIYer just wanting to realign all their doors throughout their house. And this is just a simple and easy way to do it. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.